Which country will host G20 Summit 2023? Answer: India. Which nation has formally withdrawn itself from the Treaty of Open Skies? Answer: the United States. Which state government has launched a new rural housing project called Maha Awas Yojana? Answer: Maharashtra. Who won the UK Booker Prize 2020? Answer: Douglas Stewart. What is the minimum age limit to play international cricket as per the new ICC? Answer: 15 years. India has drawn a 5-year action plan for the conservation of which species? Answer: vultures. Which vaccine manufacturer has sought emergency use authorization of its COVID-19 vaccine? Answer: Pfizer in US. Which nation is planning to launch a space probe to the moon to bring back lunar rocks? Answer: China. Which bank has become the world's first central bank to gain 1 million Twitter followers? Answer: Reserve Bank of India. Which state or UT government has announced a 2000 rupees fine for not wearing masks? Answer: Delhi. India has received its 9th Boeing P-8I surveillance aircraft from which airspace company? Answer: Boeing. When is former PM Indira Gandhi's birth anniversary observed? Answer: November 19th. England's cricket team will tour which nation for the first time in 16 years in 2021? Answer: Pakistan. Asia's first solar-powered textile mill will be set up in which Indian state? Answer: Parbhani district in Maharashtra. Who will virtually inaugurate the Bengaluru Tech Summit on November 19th? Answer: PM Narendra Modi. Which country has been given the hosting rights for FIFA U17 Women's World Cup 2022? Answer: India. Which state government has decided to form a cow cabinet for the protection of cows? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Who has been sworn in as the first woman Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar? Answer: Renu Devi. When was International Day for Tolerance observed? Answer: November 16th. Which state has passed a resolution on Sarna code? Answer: Jharkhand. Which nation has launched world's first 6G experimental satellite? Answer: China. Which Indian author has been selected for Tata Literature Lifetime Achievement Award 2020? Answer: Ruskin Bond. Which nation has adopted a new law to provide support to retired military personnel? Answer: China. Which state has announced a 100% tax exemption for e-vehicles? Answer: Tamil Nadu. Which state or UT has become the second one to ban firecrackers after Rajasthan? Answer: Delhi.